Let's start my presentation. The AC leakage clamp meters CM400 series. That's a new product for us. So first of all, I talk about the basic knowledge about leakage current and clarify the main application and our target customers. So today I will show you two types of products. After I introduce these difference of these products, I would like to tell you the advantages. So when we compare to the competitors' leakage clamp, the HIOKI has outstanding performance. So I will show you the difference using the cross-reference chart. So the leakage current is the current that streams from either DC or AC circuit in an equipment to the ground or framework, and can be from the output or input. Electrical system usually streams very low leakage current or almost zero. However, if the equipment is not properly grounded or it has old or damaged insulation, the high leakage current occurred in the system. In the worst case, this defective electrical system caused a huge problem, such as electrical shock and fire. To prevent this case, there may be an earth leakage breaker that interrupts the leakage current. However, breaker trip causes the power outage, so it is also big issues for customers. The customer's goal is to avoid a problem caused by leakage current through regular inspection. And it's important to identify the cause of the leakage current as well. So our customers are maintenance companies and electrical managers of the factories, for example. So they check the leakage current power lines in the distribution panel, like this picture. So this black box is called GFCI or RCDs, so which is leakage current breaker. The leakage current is measured by clamping two-phase or three-phase power lines connected to the RCDs. For example, in the case of two wires, there are live and neutral wires. If there is no leakage current, the total value shows at zero. Okay, let's look at our new products. So we have two types of products. CM400x is the small size clamp. However, it has a wide current measurement range. On the other hand, the large one is designed as a high reliability model. It is available two types. So CM4002 and 4003, you can select with or without output function. That's an overview of our new products. From now, I introduce about our advantages. So these operators not only measure leakage current, but also measure large load current for the inspection. The CM4001 can measure from 0.6 milliamps to 600 amps with small size. And CM4002 is specified from 0.06 milliamps. So we recommend it for the customer who need high reliability instruments. So which means this wide range current measurement range meets the customer's requirement who wants to use many applications. So this is biggest advantages of HIOKI, and the customer do not need to buy two clamp meters with different current ranges. Okay, next. So we are looking the CM4001, small one. It has a unique clamp shape. Thanks to its teardrop shape, it can easily install in narrow space, like these pictures. And there is no need to pull out the cables. So therefore, no worry about the damaging the cable. And if the clamp is difficult to use, it will be more likely to break due to stress on the ground. Being small and light, and risk of failure is minimized. The next one is the large type model, CM4002 and 4003. Some customer requires the EN61557-30 compliant. So this is an international standard on leakage clamp meters. So the important thing is to show a high stable measurement value without being affected by noise. The noise means busbar currents generate large magnetic field. It making it difficult to measure small leakage current in those noise environment. This noise is nearby because the wires are crowded in the distribution panels normally. To prevent noise effect, CM4002 has a magnetic shield, and thanks to the high permeability magnetic core and uniform winding coils, achieve the high sensitivity and stable performance. The current sensor technology is in HIOKI's DNA, I want to say. So we have a strong confidence in it. Okay. So this product can transfer the measurement data to your smartphone via Bluetooth communication. The Gennect Cross, that's a free app available for iOS and Android OS, HIOKI provided. So later, I will show you a short video on how to use the app for general measurements. For now, I will show you a unique solution using this app. So it is an event recording function. If you are looking for leakage current and can't find it, it may be because it is occurring intermittently. So in this situation, you need to log in the leakage current. So the event logging recording function can set the threshold of current level. And when detect the current, leakage current, this data is saved in the internal memory of the device, and you can check this data with your smartphone like this. So the important thing is the clamp meter will work as a standalone during the measurement. In other words, you don't need to put on your smartphone in the distribution panel during the measurement. So this is the last one. That's advanced application. So if you want to record a more longer time for more detail or troubleshooting, the CM4003 with external power supply model is recommended. CM4003 has a high noise resistance than cheaper AC current sensors, so it is possible to record the accurate data, waveform, and RMS value using the, let's say, memory high coder or another local. But here are the accessories. The CM4003 comes with output ports, but the AC adapter is sold by separately. So please pay attention to this point. The wireless adapter is also sold by separately. So if customer wants the Gennect Cross Bluetooth functions, you need to buy this wireless adapter. However, CM4000-90, that's a bundled model. The wireless adapter bundled set is available. The launch date is end of February, so which means today. Yeah. Okay, so let's compare to the competitors' product. Here is Carbions and Flug 368. So this is the function comparison. The HIOKI has many other attractive features. So especially the comparator function is very important for the leakage current inspection to notice quickly if there is a leakage current or not. The small one, CM400x, is a 24 millimeter diameter clamp, and the Carbions has similar size clamp. So when we compare these two products, the measurement range is the Carbions can measure up to 100 amps. However, we can measure up to 600. That's a big difference. And the size and small weight is almost half weight, half size. So this is means very easy to use the operation. On the other hand, the large one, the Flux 368 has the same diameter clamps, but the Flux can measure up to 60 amps. But CM4003 can measure up to 200 amps. So this is a big advantages of HIOKI. Okay, so now I want to show you the short video on the Gennect growth, how to measure and how to make a test report using the Gennect growth app. So in this video, can you see? Now it's measuring the two test points, and it can store data on your smartphone. And if there is a trouble in the panel, you can save the picture like this. And you can save the location data. And Gennect Cross can check the current waveform. So if you use this app, you can check the waveform and frequency FFT. And this waveform can save in the data like this. So now making the test report, selecting data and input the informations, details, and just tap the create report button. And you can check the test report, white covers and contents, measured data, and location informations, and pictures, and waveform. And created test report can share by email or cloud service apps. Okay, so I'll summarize the presentation part. So CM4001 and 4002 is it has a very wide measurement current ranges, and both model has a very functions when compared to the another products. So it is very useful tool, and it's a very professional tool for the maintenance company.
Okay, all right. So far for the content presentation. Thanks, Hide. So very quickly about marketing. So all the information, of course, the technical part is with Hide and his group, the product marketing group. On the marketing side, of course, everything in regards to the product. If you want to promote it, if you want to make a presentation to your customer, we have the photo assets for you ready on the Google Drives for you to download. We have the video assets that you can download and feature on your own site, or embed the videos from our YouTube channel as well. And of course, that's a common thing. Basically, please, the latest news or the latest content really is always available on the product landing pages. We have the download sections where you can get the latest catalog data as well as the short descriptions that you can use then for your websites or for sharing that information in summary with your potential customers. So this is just from the marketing, or otherwise, if you have any other requests, any other features that you need, please always contact marketing under marketing@hioki.eu, and we will be answering as soon as possible. Okay?
Thank you for joining the webinar.